Hi, Valerie Sledge here, your Cypress Realtor. I'm here today at 19607 Arbor Lodge Drive in Cypress, located in the beautiful master plan community of Bridgeland. I will be here today from 12 to 3, so come on by and see me. This home has just been put on the market, so you can be one of the first to come tour it. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. 3,070 square feet with a formal dining room and a game room upstairs. It's located on a corner lot across from a green space, just steps from walking trails and Waterhaven Park, which features a splash pad, a playground, and a covered pavilion. As you can see, there is tons of cabinet space and storage and countertop space in this kitchen. If you come by today to see me, you can enter a raffle to win a $25 Visa gift card. Again, I will be here from 12 to 3 if you want to see more of this home, and I hope to see you soon.